Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Tony. Been a while since I made a video. Figured I'd do a quick little unboxing of a new toy I just picked up. From the title, you can already tell what type of new toy it is. But in my opinion, it's the best revolver you can get right now on the market for the money. And without further ado, boom. Boom. Give you a hint. Probably already guessed it. 7 rounds. I keep 2 of them. Trying to do this with one hand. Pretty hard. Here we go. GP 100. 357. 7-shot. The exact model number is it's 1771. 1771. It's 7 rounds instead of the 6. Sweet revolver. Fiber active front sight. Sweet, man. Man, this thing is nice. It's built like a tank. I love those grips. Wood inserts. The rubber, very comfortable. Just gun is unloaded. Nice. Double action. Real smooth. Wow. Of course, you know, single is going to be like not bad at all. This is a real nice revolver. I mean, the double action is just wow, just smooth. It's no effort at all. You know, doesn't come off target. Look at that. Pretty accurate, I'm pretty sure. But anyway, yeah. In my opinion, this is the best revolver right now. 357 revolver you can get for the money. Hands down, Ruger. I highly recommend it. Thanks guys for tuning in. Just want to give you a little quick update on my channel. Do a little quick video. Appreciate you guys. Have a good holiday.